Hey everyone, welcome back from the future video. I almost did something I was going to regret. I almost tried to defeat a tyrant without you guys. So, I apologize for almost doing that. I just barely got out of that battle just before we did that. So, also if you noticed, I am now what you would call, wording. I changed from the duelist all the way down to a psych corruptor, so we can try to work on getting the mastermind thing. Pretty sweet, huh? And after the mastermind, I think we'll work on this row and to get the full metal jaguar. So yeah, there's that. So I got a ray gun and a knife now, so that's pretty cool. So, and we're gonna fight that thing, the Zabulaf of Slay Aria the Zabulifla. Wherever that how you pronounce that. You're just making words up now. Anyways, let's get it on. Also, I think I'm now able to do videos a bit longer now. Not entirely too sure, but we're gonna try it out. I found something interesting out about that, but as for how long those videos are gonna be able to be, I am not sure. So trial and error once again. Fall asleep, buddy. No, did you fall asleep? I don't think you... Did you? I don't think you did. Ray gun power! Except this ray gun only has one shot for it, which makes it very terrible. So I'm thinking of getting a different one other than this. Oh, that was a big hit. Luckily with this, I'm able to heal my friends. So I got Irina with me, Lau and Gwyn, but not in that order. I think I like when I show you guys the tyrant videos. True, I'm just fine. Let's go, guys. Yay! Aria the Zabulifla, I cannot pronounce that. Pretty nice, huh? Sing with me, guys! It looks like we got a trophy out of that too, so that's pretty cool. And in the distance, if you just saw, there's another opponent, tyrant that I am not ready to fight yet. So we're going to ignore it. Not really sure what I'm going to show you guys in this video. I mean, I just wanted to show you that tyrant. I didn't really plan for anything else. Anything... Funny. Sweet! I wish I could show you guys the awesome ray guns. Let's see, because I'm not really sure if there's any real things I can do right now. I mean, there is, but there also isn't, and I do need to get some of these missions done so I can be able to do such things. That's not what I wanted. Okie dokie. Also, due to my, I know this is a little sad, and I know my future powers may not be as useful as I thought they may be. Because if I'm able to now, thanks to you two being so thankful and just me, and do a few simple things, I might not need it. It's kind of loud, I realize that. I can't even hear myself talk! Give me your body. Give me your body pieces or whatever you have on you. You gonna punch me, boy? I don't think so. Someone classed up. Also, I guess I could show you guys a little something real quick. So we're gonna go back to the concourse, the Blade concourse back in the administrative district. And it's raining. Wonderful. Nora's the one who gives you blade things when you level up the blade. So now we got even more wall decals. Isn't that awesome? Is that? Now let's see, what bonus should I get? I think I'll stick to artificial or whatever. And that's all I got for right now. Also, I'm not sure if maybe I might use my fingertip powers. I don't know. Just kind of tired today. I guess we could see what's at the shop. Ooh, hello! I think we have a winner chicken dinner here, people. I know I'm going to show you. You'll see me in a new, sexier outfit. Even though I'm already very sexy. Head, snorkels. Wish these things told you how many of these things you had, but they don't. Okay, what was the thing I just realized looking at these things that I don't do a lot with them. Let's see here. Revigorate. I think we can choose to go with this. Why not? Purchase. Yes, I think I know exactly what we're all looking for right now. Also, I just messed up something. Alright. You didn't see that, so I guess we're good. This look a little cool in some of our videos. Huh? So we're gonna quickly just save for right now. And for now we'll just wear party ground gear. Change from fashion, prototype, headset, shirt, sleeve, pants, pants, and and now, what? Since we instead of fashion, we'll just yeah. All right. So as soon as I do a little something right here. combat. I may actually need to get undressed for this part. Hold on. So change fashion and like remove all gear. Okay, so what was that? And then combat Maurice. Combat. Wait, what am I wearing? Alright, so there's that. Alright. It seems, yeah. Hold on. Let's see if I can get you guys a better view. How badass is that, right? I look so handsome. And just pure proness. They call me the Dark Skull. Skull, I don't know. Don't question why. Now let's see if there's any sweet, awesome weapons we can find out here. Maybe something that can, yeah, that looks kind of nice. Yeah, that could work. And for ray guns, we'll go with the Warrior Radius. Yeah, baby! Oh my gosh. Look at me. I am a total badass of every heck of the word. Not sure how that color fits me though, but I don't care. I got this bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I feel like I could freaking fly with this thing. But nope. Well, this was a great turnout to a video. If I do say so myself. I mean, just look at that. Look at it. It's amazing. I almost have no words for this, except for what I'm saying right now. And in the darkness of the rain. Oh, just look at me stretch. I'm so pro. Well, guys, I think this is a great stop for a video. I honestly don't know what else to say. I think I'm just going to mess around with this a bit. I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Try not to freak out. Bye-bye.